This right here is about to be your favorite video, honey, because I'm going to show you how to stop drawing a blank when it's time to film your YouTube video intro. I'm Jamar and I help coaches and consultants get more clients with YouTube. By the end of this video, I'm going to give you my 3-part framework to making sure that you are always creating an attention-grabbing intro. For more advice on getting clients with YouTube, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video every Monday. Okay, so let's get into this. Now, whenever someone is searching on YouTube looking for an answer to their problems, you only have 30 seconds to win them over for them to watch the rest of your video, okay? And so when you think about this, 30 seconds is not that much time. And so in this video, we are going to be diving into my 3-part framework for your YouTube intro, and it's called HIT, H-I-T. And that stands for hook, introduction, and transformation. Okay, so we're going to get into each point right now. So when we're thinking about hook, I really want you to consider something that is going to be attention grabbing, right? Maybe even hint to something that they have been typing in this entire time, right? So that whenever they finally click on your video, you are like, you're in the right spot, right? Most of my videos start out with either an open-ended question or some kind of action, right? So for example, an action would be stop, don't do this until insert whatever, right? That's kind of how I start mine. So try using those and let me know how they work for you in the comments down below. Now, I'm going to also give you an example of how this can be worked for you, okay? So let's pretend real quick, okay? So I am a relationship coach and I am going to be making a video about how to have productive conversations with your partner. So using what we learned inside the hook where we want to grab people's attention, we are going to say something like, still reeling from your last argument? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to have emotionally safe fights with your partner. Okay, so that does everything that I need to do inside the hook section. What do you think about that hook? Let me know in the comments what you think. So now that we have the hook section down pat, right? I want us to go into the introduction part of the framework, okay? So in the intro section, this is going to be short and sweet, right? We do not need your whole life story. We just simply need to validate why you should be talking about this topic, right? Because there are tons of people, there's tons of information on YouTube, right? And so as the person is searching for information, they're trying to discern whether or not you are the one that they should be going to, right? You are the one that they should be listening to, rather. Okay, so again, if I am the relationship coach, this is what I would say as my introduction, okay? I'm Jamar Diggs, and I've helped hundreds of women stand up for themselves in their relationships without feeling guilty about it, right? That establishes myself as the authority in what I do, right? It's not I'm not going on and on about like what my mission is and all this other stuff. I'm simply saying, I know what I'm talking about. I do this for a living. This is what I do. This is my expertise, honey. Okay, that's what we're trying to do. We're not trying to be one of those those YouTubers where they're making a video about like personal experiences, right? We do this thing for a living, right? We are going to be having backed by education. Or backed by actual like professional experience. And so now we're going to be talking about the T portion of the framework, right? The transformation, okay? In this part of the framework, we are going to be highlighting the end result, okay? So this is going to be our way of telling the viewer why it is worth watching the entire video, right? And so the way that it's going to work is like if they're going to be watching it, they're going to be thinking, okay, sure, you got me in the first like 10 seconds. Okay, cool. And I know that your specialty is probably this, but is this really what I'm looking for, right? And so the transformation part of this HIT framework is going to be helping you explain to the viewer that this video is worth the watch because you're going to be able to have insert blank transformation. When we use our relationship coach example, okay, our transformation section of that video is going to look like this. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to have tough conversations with your partner that don't end in disaster, right? So that's perfect. Now, let's kind of put this all together, right? Because I want you to understand like how this works so that you can totally make something up that hooks them in within less than 30 seconds, okay? So I'm gonna start my timer and we're going to, I don't even know if you can see it. Okay, let's see if you can see it. Go. Still reeling from your last argument? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to have emotionally safe fights with your partner. I'm Jamar Diggs, and I've helped hundreds of women stand up for themselves in their relationships without feeling guilty about it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to have tough conversations with your partner that don't end in disaster. We have 23.31, honey. Okay, less than 30 seconds. It works. You have hooked in your viewer. So I hope that makes sense. Now that you have your intro, you're probably going to want to download my YouTube starter guide that gives you everything that you need to go ahead and start building your channel out, honey. Okay, so now that you have your intro, you're feeling good to go. Let's make sure that we're starting the channel on the right foot. So in the actual YouTube starter guide video, I'm walking you through all the back end stuff to make sure that everything is looking good from the get-go. Okay, so go ahead and grab that link in the description down below. If you like this video, please let me know by subscribing to this channel, liking this video, and comment down below with your very own hit intro that you're going to be using in your very next video. All right, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.